Hello guys, welcome to the channel IT Simplified. In today's video in Azure, I'll show you how you can restore data to an alternate location all by utilizing Azure Backup Services. So let's start. The first step is to create the recovery service vault, which I already have. And you should already have the data backed up, which I did in my previous video. So what you can do is you can go to the protected item and you can go backup items and go to the data that we have backed up last time, expand that, and this is the data that we want to restore. So just want to show you, if you expand these three dots, you have the option of restoring this database. So if I click on this, you will see that I have the option of alternate location, and if you expand the server, you'll see that if you don't see for some reason the server that you want to restore the database to, you can close this, go to the recovery service vault. What we need to do is we need to add that a server to the backup infrastructure. So you go to getting started under backup, and that machine is running on Azure and will be using SQL Server, and I'll discover the database in VM. So click on Start Discovery. So basically what we need to do is we need to still add that server within the recovery service vault in case we want to restore that to a alternate location, because that server was not showing in my list. So that is what I'm trying to do, and it will add that server. And this is the machine that I wanted to add, which was not showing previously. So if you expand this, that's the one that I'm talking about. And you can go discover database. It is basically now adding that server to our recovery service vault. So let's just wait for a moment for this server to be added. And by the way, just want to show you that that server that I want to restore to, I don't have any database right now, you will see. And once I restore that, you should see the database, because the database that I'm trying to restore is with the name prod. And after the restore process has taken place, hopefully we should be able to see that database in this server. Okay, so the deployment was successful. So basically, we have added the agent to that server where we want to restore. So at this step, you can just ignore the step two because we are not going to back up. We are just going to restore from the data that we have already backed up. So you can go to protected item and again backup item, and hopefully we should be able to see now the server that we want to restore to. Okay, so as you can see, if I expand the server, I want to restore to an alternate location, which is SQL standard now in this case. And here you can give the name for the restore. I'll name it prod restore demo, or you can leave that to the default. And I'll click on OK. I had the full backup, so I'll click on OK. And at this stage, I will also click OK. And I will click on restore. So as you can see that the restore process has been triggered, and once the restore process is complete, I should be able to see the database with the name prod on this SQL standard server. So let's wait for this completion, and hopefully we should get successful notification. You can further drill down into this, what is the activity happening behind the scene, and you can see that the process is in progress stage. So as you can see that even the restore process is in progress right now. I can see that I have the prod database right now, which has appeared over here. So it means that all steps are so far correct, but let's wait for the status to be completed. Also, just want to point over here is that I also got the table, which is employee info, which is part of this database. So it means that everything is working properly. So it's a matter of time that I should get completed. So we got the completed status. It means that restore process has completed successfully. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.